Okay, I actually just can't stop smiling because I keep looking out my window and just like disbelief. It's in love. I say this every time I go to a new place, but I think I'm in love. And I feel so relaxed. The only thing is I'm kind of hungry, so I need to go get some food. Yeah, I'm excited. Just got my groceries. Walking home. Sunset. Went on this long walk all the way down to the water. I say walk, it was more like a hike, like reverse hike, so I had to go down first and then come up. And then I was just wandering along the coastline. It's super rocky and like lots of cliffs, and you can go down. There's lots of like stairs too down to the water, so that was really cool. I hiked back home. I like went around a different way, so I was pretty far already. And the way home was like on a bunch of main roads, or like as main road as it gets out here. It's like a two-way road. I'm sitting in bed. It's really warm in here. I might open up this window door. The fresh air is so nice. Oh my god. It was really beautiful down there. I mean, some stunning moments, but also I'm just like, I feel like I can't beat the view from my apartment, you know? Like, I don't really need to leave the house. But I'm glad I went on my little 2-hour walk, hike. It was nice. Anyway, I think tonight I'm gonna make some lentil soup with like carrots and onion and oh, do I have any meat?